Before Edmodo, there were discussions in classes, and within those discussions, not many students like to talk. And these discussions were only about one specific topic, and the discussions, they took long times and weren't really useful. Then Mr. Lockin, our teacher, introduced Edmodo to the class. Now, Edmodo is on the internet, which uses computers, and many people like to use computers. So then the non-participants, they were more plentiful, and the people who talked more had better answers and better questions. And when the teacher required students to answer his questions, everyone was more plentiful in writing their comments and questions.
This is an example of someone using their classmates to help them develop a better thinking process and thought for when they go to write their paper. This person asked, "I think that we should have an anti-gang unit kind of like the police, but they specialize in making neighborhoods safe." One of their classmates went to saying they don't know if that would be a good idea and asking a question to them if these people would be hired by the city. It kept on going to having another classmate asking if this would be similar to a neighborhood watch. Someone else answered them that it's kind of like the neighborhood watch, but it's just for a neighborhood. This would be citywide, I think, and it should also that your neighborhoods couldn't always be watching each other. The original author then went to having a better developed question and answering with what they think. So they went from having a question that they don't know much about to having a sentence or a paragraph of what they know about and how they're going to use that in their paper.
In Edmodo, I feel more comfortable discussion because for me, I doesn't know English that much. So right here I have comment that I will never talk in class. There are more and more suicide occurring because of the internet and phone. People get depression from other people and might not want to plan suicide. And here's another student comments to my comment. She said, yes, I'm agree because there is a lot of bullying through phones or internet. And another student said, agree, cyberbullying is on the rise as well. It talk about somebody physical appearance could be, or that it take a person over the age. It could go to you, but not always to the person you are saying to.
So Tom, why are you more likely to participate on here?
I feel more comfortable talking, like not talking but writing.
Right?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't know English that much, so yeah.
So how much more do you think you participate on here?
A lot more than in class.
Okay. How has it helped you learn better?
It helped me learn better because I ask my own questions, like the question that I would never ask in class. So if in Edmodo I ask that question, so other students they answer or have give me the answer, so I understand the topic more.
And it gives you more peer interaction?